It's
Okay. Hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, for today's video, gagawa tayo ng vlog. Hello everyone! So, ayun na nga, after natin i-drive yung ating tricycle, yung na may kulong-kulong, mag-unbox na tayo ng ating mga pinamili. Ano ba yung mga pinamili natin? Clara, nabot mo sa akin yung kutsilyo. Aray ko, kutsilyo kasi wala tayong scissors. So, ayan, para ba mag-unbox? Yan talaga. Literal na box. Literal po yan na box. Diba? Ganyan lang ang mag-unbox. Tapos tulungan mo ako, Claire, and i-open. Iyan mo yung cabinet. There you go. So, yan. Ganito po ang pagbabalot ng, sa grocery. So, ayan. Ano ba mga pinamili namin? So, ayan. Samot-saring mga chichirya. Chichirya ng aking kapatid. Mag-ano ka dyan. Siya lahat actually yung kumuha nito. Sabi ko kuha siya, pero kung ano mga pinagkukuha niya. So, ayan, meron kaming oishi, meron kaming cracklings, meron kaming tortillas, oishi. Ayusin mo naman, ayusin mo. Oishi. Meron kaming crunchy choco. Meron kaming, ayusin mo, makikita nila,
Oshi!
Oishi. Cracklings, iabot mo nga, cracklings. Iyan mo dyan. Ding dong! Magic chips! Ochi again! Mr. Chips! Puro na lang chips to? Chippy! Chips din! No, everyday. Milo! Yeah, para sa kape or para sa morning natin. Ay, nako! Roller coaster again, chips na naman. Gato puti, toyo. May toyo ang utak. Toyo.
Walang kauti na toyo.
Peanut butter! Peanut butter para sa ating, nasa na yung ating tinapay ating?
Namakagano ko yun
Peanut butter para sa ating bread. And pancit canton, instant noodles, ramen. Pancit canton, ramen. Pancit canton. Kaya init. So super hot in the Philippines. Iodized salt. Ano pa? Dato puti, soy sauce. We have our fish sauce or bagoong sa Ilocano. Abot mo na to. O, yan na naman. Cheese curls na naman. Chichirya. Junk foods. My God! Ang daming junk foods. Puro junk foods. Pancit canton. Pancit canton. So, we bought a lot of, instant noodles, pancit canton. Kasi, sometimes, ano ginagawa mo dyan? Pancit canton, spaghetti. Pancit canton, spicy. Spicy again, pancit canton. Yung ulo mo. Pancit canton, calamansi, boybor, and calamansi super chili, chili mansi. What else? Pancit canton na naman, original flavor. Puro pancit canton na lang nakikita ko dito. Pancit canton na naman. Chichirya na naman. We have tomato paste for our spaghetti. Tomato paste for our
Spaghetti
Tulungan ako na! Tulungan mo ako Help me fix this all. And popcorn para sa ating pag nagmo-movie marathon tayo, popcorn. We have bay leaf or dahon ng laurel para sa ating adobo. We have canned goods. We have Argentina corned beef para sa ating spaghetti later. What else? Meron pa ba? We have mushrooms. Mushrooms for spaghetti na naman. We have sugar para sa ating coffee. We have Smart antibacterial dishwashing paste. So, panghugas ng plato. We have our sweet chili sauce. Ang ating ketchup para sa ating fried chicken or sa mga fried, ulam. Ano ba? We have our We have our super big Zesto. Ayan.
Oh, ano again?
Zesto. Unbox ba natin to? So, juice siya. Ayan, instant apple juice. And what else? What else? Ano yung ikaw? Wala na. What else? Ano ba dyan yan? What else? We have our fish na. Yan. Oh, junk foods. Bakit? Mr. Chips. What else? Wala na. Bus na. Wala na. Yung mantika nandun. My God! Yun lang lahat. And then this one, pinamili natin, we have our pork, 200, magkano to? 280 pork. We have chicken. We have pechay. We have potato. We have sayote. And we have our oil. Ayan. So, hindi makukompleto ang pagpiprito or pagluluto ng ating food if without oil. So, oil is very essential. Tapos, ayun, patatas. So, 2 pieces of patatas. So, ayun lang. That's all for our groceries. So, here, we have a lot of, what you call this? Ano to? Food. Chicheria or junk foods. Everything is junk food. My God, my sister. Ito lang ata yung pinaka, ano sa lahat. Alright! And ayun na nga. So, yun guys. I just wanted to share our, pinamili. The thing that we bought from a supermarket. From grocery store for our daily needs. Kasi, we ran out of grocery already. So, we decided to go to market today and then buy some stuff. And yes, thank you for watching, guys. And again, if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe and also hit the notification down below. And don't forget, if you want to comment, then just leave a comment. Alright? And if you want to, shout out, if you shout out ko yung pangalan nyo, just comment below. And then my next vlog, isa-shout out ko po yung pangalan ninyo. Alright guys, so yes, happy weekend everyone. And I hope you all guys safe and sound. And keep safe all day. And every day. And yeah. Goodbye.